Chinese open source model, GLM-4.5, was released this week. And this is positioning itself as a high-end open source hybrid model targeting reasoning, coding, and agentic tasks. And it's 355 billion parameters, uses a mixture of experts approach. I don't know what that is.
It loses a bit of capabilities, but the huge advantage is that you have a very huge speed improvement, because instead of having to evaluate always with all the tokens, with all the parameters, you always work on with a subset, which is like the most likely to be correct for the kind of tokens you put in.
And you said you looked into this yesterday, right, Max?
Currently, what is the easiest and fastest way for us is to post-train open source models. So currently use Qwen or Qwen, but when we look at GLM-4.5, it's unfortunately not vision. The only GLM that is GLM-4V. From that perspective, it could be interesting for us to fine-tune it to get some reasoning done or task planning.
In regard to also GLM, there's a general issue that the old GLM-4, I run it locally. The issue is basically that it has like huge instabilities of the context size, so you cannot even get past 8,000 tokens and stay stable. It already starts to slowly break apart at 6,000.
It ranks really well, but this is on Chinese, like in Chinese as a language. Because I was looking at the LM Arena scores and I just couldn't find GLM 4.5. I didn't know where it was. And then I read somewhere or heard somewhere that it's these are Chinese benchmarks using Chinese language and things like that. So this is absolutely definitely a really cool direction it's going into. But I think the hype around this model isn't quite there yet, because it doesn't cater for Western language even, you know.